Sorry, Lightning, you're out.
But we just prevented death instead of doing the challenges.
Lightning, we appreciate your service. You will be missed.
This is not fair.
Two, put a stop to this already!
Why did we do this? Why did we make our team about preventing death when we keep losing? 3 of us are already out. We're getting ourselves eliminated from this nonsense.
It's a noble cause.
Yeah, you can say that because you didn't just get out. I'm so angry. Grr. I'm so mad I could just explode.
Lightning, please, calm down!
Hello, everybody!
Somebody come and play. Somebody come and play today.
Somebody come and play some games
and sing the songs
and play along.
Somebody come and play today.
This is going to be so much fun!
Somebody come and play with me. Oh, I can hardly wait. There's so much to do together on our play date.
Everybody now! Somebody come and play. Somebody come and play today. Somebody come and join the fun. There's lots of room for everyone. Somebody come and play.